Remember to place the buckle and continue to hook it down. First, knit 9 drawing stitches in order. At the end of stitch 9, knit 5 pull stitches on the side of the first ribbon. Next, knit 5 silver scar stitches on each of the remaining 4 sides. Each side starts knitting at the marked button position. There are a total of 30 stitches on the 5 sides. After the 5th side is completed, knit 5 silver scar stitches on the last side as well. This connects one side. Next, hook the top position. First, draw 8 locking stitches. Return to the penultimate stitch and draw 7 pulling stitches in order. At the end of the 7th stitch, draw a pull stitch on the middle stitch of the first webbing. Make a lock stitch and turn the fabric over. Continue to draw and pull out the needles in sequence on the second half of the stitches. Draw a total of 7 pulling pins. At the end of the 7th stitch, pick up a different stitch, turn it over, and continue knitting 7 pull-out stitches in order. At the end of stitch 7, remove the marker buckle. Hook a pull stitch on the next stitch of the webbing. Hook a lock stitch at the back. Turn the fabric over and keep the number of needles in the 4th and 5th rows unchanged. Hook 7 pull pins in each row. Here we have connected the first webbing. The first ribbon has 5 rows of stitches woven in the reverse direction, and the 2nd to 4th ribbons have 4 rows of patterns woven in the reverse direction. After the top webbing is connected, hook up the other side of the webbing, first hooking up 5 pull-out stitches in order. Next, continue to knit 5 pull-out stitches in order at the position of the mark buckle of each ribbon. After the 5 sides are completed, knit a pull stitch on each of the remaining 9 stitches to complete the row. Here we have completed the twisting part, and then we will pull the needle back and knit. Knit 46 pull-out stitches in each row to the appropriate width. A rectangular piece of paper is completed here. Its width is just enough to cover the wrist. Then cut the thread and sew the sides. Pick a thread on the outside of the 2 sides to sew, and use the rolling thread sewing method to sew 1 needle corresponding to 1 stitch. That's it for the tutorial on wrist gloves. See you in the next issue.